Hey guys, it's me Hassel with WTI, and I never thought a flashlight could be so useful in my life, and I want to show you why this one right here has been amazing. This is the Life+Gear Stormproof floating flashlight and lantern that I got not long ago, and I am just obsessed with this product because it's not only a flashlight, it also glows and it's a flasher. So it's all in one, and that's why I find it so useful, you guys. It runs on 3 AA batteries, and this right here is where you unscrew it to put them in. It also has this little ring, which is also super useful because it allows you to hang the flashlight anywhere in case you're looking for something and need both of your hands. And last but not least, my very favorite thing about this is that it floats in the water. So it will work perfectly in case of any emergency, or even if you drop it in the water, it will still work and float. So yeah, guys, no doubt, this is a must-have. I really think I need it because I live on an island. There are lots of blackouts here, so this is used a lot. And I think it's an amazing product. A lot of people might need it too, but that's just my point of view.